At some point, you have to stop running, not from the world, not from your problems, from your reflection. The one thing most men never do is stand still in front of the mirror with no music, no phone, no agenda, just them and their truth. Because the mirror doesn't lie. It doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care how tired you are. It doesn't care how much you've been through. It shows you exactly what you've built and exactly who's responsible for it. Most men avoid the mirror not because they're ashamed of how they look, but because they're afraid of what it will say back. They've trained themselves to glance, not stare. They've trained themselves to dress fast, leave quickly, stay distracted, because looking too long means confronting what they've become. But not you. If you're still watching this, you're the kind of man who's ready to stand still again and look and listen, because that's where the ritual begins. Let me give it to you straight. If you don't have a mirror ritual, you're not truly walking the compass, you're just following habits. Habits are what average men use to manage life. Ritual is what dangerous men use to control it. That's what this is. A weekly reset, a soul inventory, a private war room between you and you. Here's how you do it. Step 1, silence, turn everything off, lights low, one candle lit, face the mirror, set a timer for 5 minutes, say nothing, just stare, let the reflection speak. Step 2, the inventory. When the timer ends, ask 3 questions aloud. Did I live like the man I said I'd be this week? Where did I hide? What must die before Monday comes? You don't write these down, you feel them. Step 3, the confession. Now speak directly to the mirror. Tell it what you regret. Tell it what you avoided. Tell it the truth you haven't told anyone. Say it like you're talking to your future self, because you are. This is sacred ground. No lies allowed here. Step 4, the recommitment. Now you reset your compass. Choose one path for the coming week. Look into your eyes and say, this week I walk the path of insert path name. I will not scroll, I will not hide, I will not break. Repeat it 3 times, each time louder, each time stronger. You are reprogramming your identity. This is not mindset, this is masculine ritual. Step 5, burn. Take a small slip of paper. Write one behavior, thought, or excuse that you want to kill. Burn it. Watch it turn to ash. Say nothing, just breathe. The subconscious doesn't need logic, it responds to symbolism. And honestly, fire is the most ancient one we have. This is not church, this is not therapy, this is not motivation. This is soul realignment. This is what real men do when the world turns to noise. We don't look away, we don't flinch, we stand, and we stare. You want to level up? Then stop looking away from the truth. Face yourself every Sunday, every week, no matter how tired, ashamed, or broken you feel. Because the man in that mirror, he remembers. And one day, your future self will thank you for not abandoning him in the silence. Final act. If you're going to do the mirror ritual, light your candle tonight. Then comment below. And when the scrolls laugh at it, let them. They're terrified of silence. You're not. You're a centurion. We look into fire, and we remember who we are.